So one of the things I do each year is we host a Secret Santa, and we had about 50 people this year sign up for it, and we did the drawing for it, and I drew someone, so I get to play Secret Santa. And today I'm going to be making a box to house this knife. I made this knife a couple years ago, I think it was, and it's from a kit from Tay Tools. One of my favorites. I absolutely love this one, but I don't use it that much because I've got others, and so I thought this would make a great gift. However, I want to actually put it in something else. So today we're going to make a little display box, and I'm trying to figure out what to make it out of. I've got some 500-year-old English oak. I've got some really nice walnut. I've got some Paduke. I've got some lacewood, and we're going to have a little bit of fun and just make something off the cuff. Let's dive in. This length plus a little bit plus an inch. So we need to come out to 6 3/4 inch. That's how long they need to be. Really nice walnut. Just below the surface. Two five. Need to figure out how tall I need them to be. They need to be 1/4 inch plus 1/2 inch plus 1/4 inch per 1/4 inch. So 1 1/4 tall. If I were smart, I would have tried and cut them down at the same thickness at the same time. Set these up just a hanger over the edge. There. So let's set this on here. And do something like that. So it needs to be this long. Stay ever so slightly away from that line so I can sneak up on it. Here we go. This board needs to be from this point to this point. Okay, so I need it to be that size. Take it down to thickness. And if so, Can I plane it? Stand up. Not that much. Bumper band, rubber band, rubber band, box. Okay, so we're here. It's actually pretty good. That's what I need, that little piece. A little more wiggle than I want. That's a lot more wiggle than I want. So that little block in there, that will hold the toe of the knife so that when it tips over, the handle comes out first. You can grab the handle rather than grabbing the tip. Does it fit? I don't know. That's almost acceptable. polish it all in. I like it. So there you have it, simple little box. This is actually a gift as I am the Secret Santa for someone in our Hive Mind group. It's a lot of fun. I wanted to make something where when you flip it over, the knife comes out handle first, not blade first. So there's a little latch in there to hold the blade down. I kind of like it. It's a really simple little design. And the fun thing about making a box is there is no right or wrong way to do it. It's just there are 1,000 ways to do it. You can make a box for the rest of your life and never make the same one twice. Just a fun thing all around. And give yourself a chance to try something new, experiment, play with something, try a little box, try a big box. If you're getting a present for someone, make a box to house it in. It's just one of those fun things that you can do pretty quickly. Most people can make one of these in an afternoon or evening or a weekend, depending upon your skill and the style you're looking for. So if you do have any questions, thoughts, ideas, let me know those down in the comments down below. That really does mean a lot. Anyone who comments down below, hits like, share, and subscribe, those things really help out the channel. So thank you, and please, that really helps out. If you want to take it one step farther, become a patron over here on the side. Everyone scrolling, they are the patrons on Patreon. And without patrons or members who've clicked the little join button down below, this channel wouldn't exist. So thank you to you, all of you. You are the ones quite literally keeping us here. If you'd like to find out more about that, there's a link to Patreon down below, or click the little join button and become a member. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. When you're making a box, you always need to make sure the chisel is going up. That is a boxing uppercut.